Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Semrush and signing in, then import a seed list of 1030 core topics. This is your launchpad. Once done, set the target country, language, and device so results match real users. Next, run keyword overview on 3-5 high-priority seeds to get volume, KD, and CPC data. Make sure to flag intent and SERP features. These guide content format decisions. Save each result to a keyword list so you can iterate quickly without repeating steps. Once you have saved seeds, use keyword magic to expand with modifiers and question queries. This multiplies useful phrases quickly. Then apply filters, volume, keyword difficulty, CPC, and intent to surface actionable targets and exclude brand noise. Next, run keyword gap against 3 competitors to reveal missed opportunities and low competition gems. Make sure to export filtered lists and tag by funnel stage. Tags let you sort intent, priority, and content type later. This keeps your keyword universe organized for execution. You finish by prioritizing keywords based on intent, volume versus difficulty ratio, and commercial value. Focus on quick wins first. Then map top keywords to existing pages or produce content briefs that include target phrase, intent, and SERP features to win. Export final lists and schedule tracking. If results look odd, rerun searches with broader filters and check competitors' live SERP to confirm intent. Make sure you cleared location caches or paused VPNs that can skew data. Adjust and iterate until metrics stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.